AI videos suck is what gets commented on my videos over and over again. Today, I want to test if that's true. I just use an AI tool to create this video on the screen. The script, the voiceover, the clips, it's all made by AI. I want to see what happens when I upload these videos to YouTube. Will I go viral? Will people watch these videos until the end? But most importantly, will anyone notice the video is made by AI? Then dislike the video and leave a hate comment. Let's see. My goal is simple: rank an AI generated video #1 on YouTube. And to make that even harder for myself, I cannot use any of the big channels that I own. I gotta do this from scratch. So, for the next few days, I will be researching YouTube keywords to rank for, creating the videos with AI, making a high converting thumbnail, doing SEO on the video, and then wait for the results to come in. Alright, ranking a video for a specific search phrase on YouTube is by far the best way to get views when you're starting a channel from scratch. Because now you don't have to rely on YouTube promoting your video on the homepage, but all we need to do is show up when people search for a specific phrase. This way we reverse the role and makes it much easier to get views from scratch. Okay, so what I'm looking for in order to rank my video #1 is a keyword that has the following points. First of all, good search volume, so that when I rank, I can actually get good views. If I rank for a keyword that no one is searching for, yes, I rank, but I don't get views. There's no point in doing that. #2, the competition. In order for it to rank, there cannot be too many videos already from bigger channels that have already done what we want to do and even done it better. So I will analyze the competitor's channel size. I'll also analyze how many views per hour their video is still getting as of right now, as well as their video quality to see if we can beat them with the AI generated video. Preferably, I'm looking for a keyword where small channels are already ranking, that gives us proof of concept, or the videos that are ranking as of right now don't really match with the search phrase that we search for, which leaves a gap for us to fill. This is what I call the matching keyword factor. More about that later in the video. It's actually the secret that helped me rank so many videos on my bigger channels. So I'm thinking to dive into the travel niche here. I want to do that because I think AI can easily make those kind of videos. If you're gonna try this for yourself, I recommend sticking to videos that thrive on the information and simple clips rather than entertainment and heavy editing, because AI is not at that level yet. So I'm thinking of doing research and finding a keyword I can rank for in the travel niche. So to come up with video ideas to do my research for, I simply asked ChatGPT what people need when traveling. It spit out a whole list including hotels. After researching YouTube, I found hundreds of videos about various locations all around the world, and most of them had a lot of views. Even better is that these videos thrive on the information that's being told as well as the clips that are shown. So I think I found my video ideas there. Now what's left is to find the actual keywords that I want to rank for. Since this is in the travel niche, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT about the most popular locations as of right now to come up with a list of locations for my videos. So this right here is the list that it gave me. What I'm now gonna do is browse through all of these locations, research them on YouTube, and see if there's any locations that tick all of our requirements. Having done that, I can say that there's plenty of locations that tick our box. Because of that, I have chosen to go with the most popular ones so that if we rank, we'll get a lot of traffic to our videos. So I ended up choosing the best hotels in Amsterdam, Dubai, and Bangkok as the locations that I'll make a video about. And here's why. After researching each of these keywords, I kept finding videos that tick all of our boxes. First of all, good search volume, small channels are currently ranking, and the videos are still getting views as of right now, which is very important because if we rank, we want to get views as well. If it's a completely dead video topic, that won't happen. So all of that gives me the confidence to go ahead and make these videos and rank them. Which brings us to step #2, creating a video with AI. For this, I'll use my favorite tool called InVideo AI. All I need to do is simply tell it which video to make, what it should look like, and it will make the video right away. So here's what I'm gonna tell it to create. Create a video about the best hotels in Dubai. You may include luxury hotels that offer the best service at the best locations. I want to see the finest places in this video and use an English male voice. That's it. I then click generate a video and it's gonna create the video for me. This is the first result that it generated for me.
Architecture and world-class hospitality that sets the scene for a truly unforgettable experience. Dubai is a destination that takes luxury to a whole new level. Imagine sipping coffee.
The fact that I can do that is amazing. However, I want to improve my video to increase my chances of ranking, which I can do by simply telling it what to change. Change the opening clip to the Burj Arab, which is the best hotel here in Dubai. Click generate and there you go. What it's not going to do is change the opening clip from this to a scene with the Burj Arab. The reason I want to do that is I want to make sure that when people click on my video, they can see right away that my video is indeed what they're looking for, which is the best hotels in Dubai. And it just changed that. You can see that the opening clip is now the Burj Arab, which is how simple it is to create videos with InVideo. I'm also going to add subtitles just by telling it to do so. And this is automatically going to add subtitles for my entire video. Whereas back in the day, that would take you hours of work. Right now, it's just done like this. Done. As you can see, we now have subtitles. So what I'm going to do right now is go to edit myself and manually change a few clips that I don't like that can be better. And do the same for the scripting. If there's anything I don't like, all I need to do is simply select it and then replace it with whatever I want to have here. So for me, it's now time to actually do that, put in the work, create the videos, and then when they're done, it's time to upload them. My complete video is now done. To get you an idea of what it looks like, here's a quick preview.
Next up, we visit Atlantis, the Palm. Perched on the crescent of the man-made marvel, the Palm Jumeirah, Atlantis is a spectacle in itself. This hotel is a world of luxury and excitement, where the Arabian Sea meets the Dubai skyline.
So I can now export my video by clicking right here, export video, and there we go. I can download it without any watermarks because I've got a paid plan on InVideo, which you can get yourself as well, starting from just 20 bucks per month. I highly recommend that if you're serious about making content on YouTube. Let's upload the videos. SEO wise, it's actually pretty simple. The keywords I found and that I want to rank for, that will make up my title. This will give me the best chance of ranking #1. I actually broke down my entire keyword research and SEO process in a 1-hour free course that I uploaded on my channel. I will leave a link to that video in the description down below. For the thumbnail, I'll just model what works. Travel channels often use an appealing photo and simply put the location in text over that with a small shadow. Boom, there we go, perfect. Let's now publish the videos and then I'll get back with the results in a few weeks from now. It's been about 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the results. So here I am inside the YouTube studio, all the way into the back end of this channel to look at how the videos performed. As we can see on the first day, the videos got quite some decent views, 21, 16, and 19 to be exact. For a brand new channel with AI generated videos, that is not too bad. However, immediately after that, you can see that the views are starting to die down. On the second day, this was 7, 3, and 6 views. On the third day, 2, 0, and 1. That is not too great. The reason I think in the beginning the videos got more views is because within the first 24 hours of a new video going live, YouTube tends to test that video in the search results. However, after that first 24-hour period, usually it will disappear if there's too much competition or if the video is not good enough, which is exactly what happened here. And that continued to go on for a couple of days. On the 22nd of January, we only got 1 view in total, which was on our Dubai video. Over the next couple of days, that kind of stayed the same until the 29th of January. As you can see, 2 of our videos started to rank in search and get way more views than that entire period before. 29 views on the Dubai video and 31 views on the Amsterdam video, while the Thailand video is staying behind with only 1 view on that day. And this performance has continued to go on just like that. The Thailand video is not getting any views whatsoever, whereas the Dubai and the Amsterdam video are starting to rank in search and continue to pick up views. Yesterday, the Amsterdam video had 38 views and the Dubai one 30 views. Let's now take a look at the traffic source to see where the views are coming from, which, as we can see here, 82% is coming from YouTube search. From that, the average view duration is 2 minutes and 24 seconds, with a CTR of 29%. That CTR is absolutely insane, especially considering our thumbnails aren't crazy at all. So that is very cool and interesting to see. The watch time, I'm not crazy happy with, but also not disappointed. The videos aren't too long, so 2 minute 24 watch time isn't specifically bad at all. I would say it's pretty decent. We had a few views from channel pages and then only 17 views from external, which is probably Google search, where the watch time isn't too great. So conclusion, our videos are indeed ranking, as we can see right here, however, not that high. However, it's still early, we're only 2 weeks in, so over the next few months, we might start performing much better, which is why I want to propose this to you. I want to start a YouTube automation channel with the AI generated videos and see how far I can grow it and how much money I can make with them. However, I'm not sure if you want that. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to start a YouTube channel, take it seriously, put in the time and effort to grow that channel for long-term success, to see how far we can go with these AI generated videos. So far, it's looking pretty promising, but we'll only see the true potential if we put in the actual work on a longer period of time. So leave a like on the video if you want to see that. And if you want to find out how to make these videos, click on the tutorial right here and I'll explain step by step how we can get this done.